Good evening. I am one of the OET aspirant from the EduSkills family. Today, I am explaining about sample 2 reading part B. It is one question. When seeking consent for a postpartum examination, it is necessary to. Normally, we are going to the part B, the reading QAT method. Then we will go to the answer option. Give a valid reason for conducting it. B option saying allow all relatives the opportunity to decline it. The C option saying only raise the subject after death has occurred. This really, as per the father strategy, we are going these questions. It is only within seconds we can answer. Okay, how I will teach you. First, give a valid reason for conducting it. Then B option saying allow all relatives the opportunity to decline it. It is all, that is absolute is there. It is we have to check the all is absolute, but meaning also is absolute. We have to check it. Allow all relatives the opportunity to decline it. Then we can eliminate that B option. The C option saying only raise the subject after death has occurred. That also only is absolute. That also we can easily eliminate. Then within a fraction of time we got the answer. Give you a valid reason for conducting it. Now we can prove that in the text. Now we can see the postpartum consent. The topic sentence we have to read. A senior member of the clinical team, preferably the consultant in charge of the care, should raise the possibility of a postpartum examination with the most appropriate person to give consent. Then the person consenting will need to an explanation the reason for the postpartum examination and what it hopes to achieve. The first approach should be made as soon as it is apparent a postpartum examination may be desirable, as there is no need to wait until a patient has died. Many relatives more prepared for the consenting procedures if they have had time to think about it beforehand. Now we can come to the topic center. A senior member of the clinical team is preferably the consultant in charge, that is a subject complementary. We can ignore it, then we can read. A senior member of the clinical team should raise the possibility of a postpartum examination with the most appropriate person to give consent. The answer is coming here. The person consenting will need to an explanation of the reason for the postpartum examination and what it hopes to achieve. The valid reason for conducting it. The person is consenting. That the person is consenting will need to an explanation the reason for the postpartum examination and what it hopes to achieve. That a proper explanation need. Then there is one more. There is no need to wait until the patient has died. It is only the raise the subject after the death has occurred. That is C option. There is no need to wait until the patient died. I think all are understand. Thank you. Really, father, father, as per the father's strategy, we are going. This is within a fraction of time only. We can easily tackle our enemy that time. Thank you.
And I want to tell you, EduSkills YouTube channel has such resources, but the full explanation, you have all the 4 modules, all the strategies explained in different videos. Definitely you can access them. They are all free. Those are not just videos. They are the previous sessions uploaded. Previous Zoom sessions uploaded on 4 subtests.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Father.
Yes.
Thank you, Father.
Thank you, Father.
Thank you so much, Father.
Thank you, Father.
Father.
God bless you all.